Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Tina here, and today we're fermenting garlic. It's cold and flu season, so you want to have that on your shelf as part of food being thy medicine. Honey, you already know the benefits of, and garlic has a lot of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties to it, and a combination of the two is the 1-2 punch that you need to help get over a cold a lot quicker. So what you want to do is take a couple cloves of garlic and peel them. If you have any with any spots on them, you just want to cut the little spot off. And just drop it in. And then raw honey, local raw honey is preferable, but any raw honey will work. And what you're going to do is cover the garlic. You're going to leave head space because it will start to bubble as it's fermenting. And you just cover all the honey. Cover all the garlic with the honey. And make sure it gets down in between all of them. Now the earliest you could use it, I would say, would be about 2 to 3 weeks if needed. It's better to let it ferment at least a good 6 weeks. You're going to want to get all the air pockets out. And you want to keep the all your garlic entirely covered with the honey, so that it doesn't try to mold or anything. And then what you'll want to do every day while it's fermenting is turn it upside down a couple times to make sure that the garlic cloves stay totally covered with honey. You will have to burp it at least once a day for the first 2 weeks while it's fermenting and bubbling. And just leave it in a cool, dark place. Now, as it ferments, the garlic will get darker and take on the color of the honey. And you can keep it for about up to 6 months. I've never actually kept any longer than 4. Normally, cold and flu season, I'll take a clove a day. If I do manage to get sick, I'll do like 2 to 3 cloves a couple times a day. And that's about it. Let your food be your medicine and heal yourself. Well, family, it's a week later, and I thought I'd bring you back so you can see how it actually looks while the garlic honey is fermenting. You can actually see some of the fermentation bubbles rising to the top. You'll know that yours is done once you stop seeing bubbles rising to the top. It takes usually 4 to 6 weeks, but a lot can depend upon the temperature of the room that you have it stored in. Well, that's about all for now, family. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.